Should you set up as a sole trader or a limited company? If you set up as a sole trader, you need to know the risk that your personal assets could be up for grabs. So if you set up a company and something goes terribly wrong and you get sued, if you own a house, your house is up for grabs as part of collateral. Whereas if you set up a limited company, your company is a separate entity from you. So if you own a house but your company is separate, if your company gets sued, the only thing that can be taken is any assets or money that are within this company. Secondly, with a sole trader, you pay tax at 20 or 40%. So if you're a basic rate taxpayer, you may only be paying tax at 20%. But if you're earning £100,000, £200, you could be paying higher or additional rate tax, and there is nothing you can do about it. You just have to pay it on your tax return. Whereas when you own a company, you have a bit more flexibility about when you pay tax. So yes, you pay corporation tax on the profit in the company, but you can choose when to withdraw dividends, and you could just choose to withdraw up to £50,000 and stay at the basic rate tax band of 8.75%. You could do this every single year instead of earning over £50,000 and going into higher rate tax, so you keep your tax at a minimal level. Thirdly, with a sole trader, you still have to pay national insurance, so you pay it at 6% or 2% depending if you're a basic rate taxpayer or a higher rate taxpayer. There is no NI due on dividends, so you would only pay national insurance if you were taking a salary and if you were taking a salary over the £12,500. However, one of the benefits of setting up a sole trader is that there are a lot less setup and admin costs. You do not have to register a company on Companies House. You do not need an accountant to help you file annual accounts and a corporation tax return, and your accounts aren't on public record, whereas they are with a limited company. And then obviously with a limited company, it comes with all of the company admin, which can be an additional cost, especially if you're just starting up.